welcomes you to Laguindingan Airport. The time is 15 minutes past the hour of 6 in the evening and the date today is July 8, 2023 on a Saturday. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft comes to a complete stop and the fastened seatbelt signs are switched off. May we remind you to check areas around you for items you might leave behind. For passengers who need assistance like wheelchair, please the plane last. Our cabin crew and ground staff will be happy to assist you. On behalf of Captain Kuhn, together with First Officer Aguinaldo and the rest of the crew, thank you for flying Philippine Airlines, the heart of the Filipino. Please await our order of deplaning announcement. Please be informed that we shall continue to practice physical distancing during disembarkation. Passengers shall be instructed to deplane by announcing their row numbers. Our crew members will guide you on our order of disembarkation. Please remain seated while waiting for your turn to disembark. We appreciate your cooperation on the safety concern. Manatiling nakaupo at nakakabit ang seatbelt hanggang ang fasten seatbelt sign ay hindi na nakailaw. Upang maisagawa ang physical distancing, maaari lamang po kayong tumayo matapos marinig ang inyong row number para sa maayos na pagbaba. Maraming salamat po.